Hello, I'm Ben. I'm the manager here at Hurst Omagh. Just want to tell you about a few services we provide, including vehicle health checks. We can replace your brake discs and pads. We can replace clutches and flywheels. Free fit on bulbs and wipers. We supply and fit a large selection of car and motorcycle tyres. We fit exhausts. We offer a large range of agricultural tyres. Free battery checks. We can prepare your vehicle for MOT. We offer main dealer quality at your local independent prices, no appointment necessary.